So this is the recap for a live stream. I think it's 157 or 158. And we've had a losing day. It didn't start that way. In the beginning, we had a trade on, well, not in the beginning, but we had a trade on ES and it's actually worked itself out. Came all the way down to the target. From there, prices turned around. We took a similar trade on NQ, but NQ, rather than get to target, stalled. The target that we had was around the 975.75. Instead, prices stalled around the 200 here. Due to the NFP, we thought we could see volatility across all instruments, so we took RTY trades. RTY had the greatest relative strength, but we took the short anyway. Went short, didn't quite work itself out. On YM, went short even though the 200 was there. Again, went in our favor. At one point unrealized. With our realized gain, we were pretty close to 200, but decided to follow the plan. And prices came back and was stopped out. So most risk was on NQ. Recently got stopped out here. Went short at the 20,100s. Price went all the way down to the 20,013. Target was all the way down to 975. Held the position, looking for price to get down to target. Didn't do that. And he stopped out for 97.5. Lost there. Yes, we made a profit on the first trade, 56,250. Most recent trade, well, we did have a re-entry short because it did set up. That actually went in favor. Didn't quite hit the target down at the 45.50s. Instead, turned around, stopped us out, lost 56.25, and that's the reason why we've only got a small gain there. Almost gave back all the gains. RTY lost 32.250. Recently closed out of the position when NQ hit the stop, and YM a similar scenario. Went short, went in our favor. Couple of ticks. 122 ticks. Where was the target? Target was further along. Maybe the target was all the way down here. I believe the target was about 200 ticks. This target was just below the 42,200. And we mentioned the gold trade. We were a bit cautious about taking it because it was a previous day's high, but took it anyway. And that's hit target before reversing. So I was aware that there was a possibility that we could see a reversal. Well, I thought it would have been a V-shaped reversal. The fact that we kept having these deep pullbacks made me think that we may have turned around and rolled over. From a daily chart perspective, we mentioned it yesterday. You can see these wicks on the lower end of the candle suggesting that when prices are sold, someone's buying it up. You can see by the wicks we're having higher lows before this most recent candle on news. And that's about it. Let's have a look at the trade performance. At the moment, I'm not going to change anything just yet. Is that right? I guess so. So as we can see, 1 point we realized 95.342. That was at the highs. We still had the open positions across the board in NQ, YM, RTY, but a series of losing trades here at the end of the day has resulted in end of the day minus 136. If we have a look at the summary page, So we've got the gross profits 95, gross loss 231, negative profit factor, high accuracy. Not sure why the accuracy is that high. It might have been because of how the orders were filled. That's the only explanation there, because I've only had 2 winning trades and 3 losing trades, so that's not correct. Average win 2, average loss 19. Those are very bad statistics there. 0.11, largest win 6, largest loss 94. Again, just not great statistics. A little bit disappointed that we gave back as much as we did, from the 95 to being down 136. But we knew the risk coming in. We decided to use the true stop and true target on the original system, and today it just hasn't worked out. I don't think I'm going to change anything. If anything, what I might do is use the elements on the chart, because we did have the 200 clearly on the chart. We also had this level. Oh, it wasn't the level on NQ. The level was on ES. There was a level down at the 51.75. So maybe use something like that as a reason to get out of the chart, get out of the market for a short. Maybe, but we'll see. We'll see what next week brings. Hopefully the market can sustain an actual trend rather than go into this choppy, sharp pullbacks that we've been seeing. It was a similar market yesterday, actually. We saw a similar market where the market was choppy with deep pullbacks, difficult trading conditions, and better conditions. Better conditions would probably result in better results, but it might, maybe. I'll have to see. But I'm not going to change anything for now. And rather than ramble on, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.